Good morning, guys. God bless you all. I'm so happy to be able to share with you the class for today. Today we're going to multiply multiples of 10, 100, and 1000, right? So first thing that we need to know is that when one of the factor is 10, like in this case, writing a 0 in the ones place of the product can also be referred to as an X in the 0. I'm going to explain you what I mean right now. Okay, for making this multiplication easier for you to understand, instead of saying 31 by 10, we are going to make this easier. We're going to say 31 by 1, which is going to be 31. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to count how many zeros are here. And it's 1. So I'm going to add the 0. That's what I mean when I was explaining the other part. Then I would say 31 by 100. What I'm going to do, I'm going to say 31 by 1, which is going to be 31. And then how many zeros are here? 1 and 2. I will add 2 zeros. Then I would say 31 by 1000. And I'm going to say 31 by 1 will be 31. And how many zeros are here? 1, 2, and 3. So I will add the 3 zeros right here. Okay, to go to the next part, I would like you to remember that we have ones, tens, and hundreds, right? So here, what do we have? This is a chart. This is a chart of 30 rows of 50 square units. So what I'm going to do here, first thing that we need to do is to count. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as it says here. And 1, 2, and 3 in this part. So what I'm going to do here, I'm supposed to multiply 30 by 50, but it can be a little bit hard. So what I'm going to do, I would take the 3 tens here by the 5 tens. And then multiply the non-zeros units, which is going to be 3 by 5. It's equal 15. And then, as I told you last time, we're going to count the zeros and add them. 1 and 2. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to say 1 and 2. And that's it. I will add the zeros. Now, let me explain you some short equations that I found for you. And then I'm going to tell you which page you guys going to work. Okay? Here, I have 7 of them. I have the number 1, the number 4, and the number 7. They are all in your book of math, and then you guys gonna work. I'm just gonna give you some examples here. Okay, now I would say, instead of saying 13 by 10, let's make it easier. I would say 13 by 1, which is gonna be 13. And so how many zeros are here? Only 1. Then I would say 15 by 15. 50 by 50. But what I'm going to do here, I rather to say 5 by 5, which is 25. And then how many zeros do I have? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then I have 90 by 60, but I'm going to say 9 by 6, which is 54. And then count the zeros, 1 and 2. Remember, guys, to know this, you guys need to know the multiplication table. That's why it's so easy to practice every single day, okay? I hope you guys had understood. I will add another video for you to understand better, okay?